Lord, napakadami kong plano. Sana pala rin. Lord, marami pa akong gustong gawin sa buhay. Marami pa akong plano sa buhay at sa ngayon, marami rin akong hinaharap na pagsubok. And at some point, I started to be afraid of my future. I'm afraid that I may fail the people that I love. And I'm afraid to fail myself. I keep pressuring myself and it gets harder every day. But Lord, thank you for reminding me that you hold my future and my future belongs to you. Thank you for reminding me not to be afraid but to be confident in your plans. So Lord, when I'm afraid, I will put my trust in you.